Hello, I'm Dr. Anthony Basil, head of the School of Computing at Regent Higher Education College, London. My presentation will provide evidence of why I am best suited for the role of Technology Enhanced Learning Manager. The key questions I will address are, number one, why a learning service needed to be improved. Number two, how did I capture the changes made to the organization and the stakeholders? Number three, lastly, I will describe my roles in the organization to promote the shift to adopting blended learning solutions. The Center of Excellence in Teaching and Learning came about from a HEFKE grant to promote non-traditional higher education opportunities through work-based learning. The £3 million grant allowed us to initially reach employees of local London businesses to work towards their degrees through action projects in the workplace. The center started out like the old Open University model, using a paper-based resource for a content-driven curriculum. So how did we successfully move from a dead tree analog system to adopting technology-enhanced learning? Well, the key was to introduce a change management strategy that focused on the human system at the start, and then later that we had resistance to the introduction of the e-learning system. Early on, we identified our technology-enhanced learning champions. We had them create a peer-to-peer induction resource. Next, we used a game design to engage the stakeholders and build confidence. Through an annual end-of-the-year showcase event, we were able to grow a blended professional social learning network. With the coronavirus, we needed to move to a pure distance learning model. All assessments needed to be done online. This included written exams, essays, and case studies. Presentations were done via webinars and web video recordings for self-assessment. A shift from the standalone distance learning was made to a more virtual team assessment. This prepared the learners for remote collaboration. Learning management systems were now a default to provide the learners with multimedia resources and virtual social learning opportunities. The stakeholders didn't feel as isolated as before. Virtual team building and talent management was needed for our global campuses. You can see examples of my blended learning research and development work at my website. I have expertise in several ways to engage learners, such as designing Web 2.0 learner-generated content, adding game elements, augmented reality, such as QR codes, 360-degree videos for an immersive experience, and interactive videos provide the learner with a sense of ownership. I have facilitated computer simulations for blended learning. This technology develops leadership skills. Through a variety of projects with the British Council, I have been awarded eTutor of the Year for online curriculum innovation. I'm currently teaching a BSc Computing Projects module and working with students to use a range of research methods. Through qualitative and quantitative tools and techniques, I have gathered data from project systems and stakeholders using a variety of technologies such as online surveys and web video interviews. My academic background has given me the ability to collect information to make a positive change in the curriculum and learning management systems to support collaboration. My role in the research, design, development, delivery, and evaluation of technology-enhanced learning has had me wear several hats. As an instructional designer, I've worked with subject matter experts. As an Adobe e-learning consultant, I have supported many transdiscipline organizations such as Oxford University and the Natural History Museum in London. I have the capacity to help the organization to grow through research. I've successfully written and managed e-learning projects with funded projects such as the British Council. So to finish, I have a range of skills, academic knowledge, and professional capabilities to succeed in this role to benefit the organization. Thank you.